Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. So today I'm going to teach you how to create triangle through CSS and HTML. So for that we will have to create one HTML file first. So now if you see, I've created one file as triangle.html. So within that we will have to create the HTML tags. So to do that, if you are in VS Code, so you can simply hit shift and exclamation mark and click on enter. So that will generate a HTML template for you. So as of now we don't need this tags over here, so I can remove those, and let me add one more tag as style. So here we are going to write every style we need in this HTML file. So for that, let's now give some background color to the body. So here I'm gonna say body as background color as yellow, and let's give some height and width to it. So let me add height as 100 VH and then width as 100 VH. So now let's save this one and see it on browser. So now if you see, our body has become yellow. Now we need to add one division inside this. So I'm gonna call it as class container. So as of now, let's give some height and width to it. So I'm gonna give 50 px each. So let's add height as 50 px, then width as 50 px, and I'm going to give some background to it. So background color as black. So let's refresh the page. So now if you see, this black division is in the HTML file. So now we have to center it. So let's say display flex to parent division, and then justify content as center, align items center. So what this will do, it will align our division at the center of the body. So let's refresh. So now here you can see the division at the center. So now first we will have to give border to this division. So for that I'm gonna give border as 200 pixels solid. Let's give green color to it. Let's save this. So now if I want base of triangle to be of 100 pixels, right? So in that case I'm gonna add border bottom as 100 pixels solid. Let's make it red. So let's save this and then refresh the page. So now here you can see, right, we have added border of 100 pixel to the bottom of this black division. So this will look something like this. And now if you see, we don't want this green color, right? And where we have given this green color to the border. Okay, so let's make it transparent. Now let's see the result. So it has become black. Now since we have given the background color of that container as black, so let's make this one also transparent. So now here we have, so this kind of structure we have, but it is not the triangle exact. That is because we have given height and width as 50-50 pixel. So if we reduce it, so let's suppose we have given this as 20-20 pixel, so this will automatically reduce. Okay, but we don't want that division, right? So in that case you can mention the height and width of this as 0. So what it will do, so it will create triangular structure for them. So now if we want triangle like this, then we can mention the border bottom as 100 pixel solid and red. So we want different type of triangle, suppose. So here I can simply say border top, and now if I refresh, so now see, we have wider base at the top and then it is narrowing down. So similarly, if we want wider base at the left, then here we can simply make it as border left 100 pixel solid red, and it will generate triangle like this. So that's it for today's lecture. So here you can tweak some properties and see the difference on the browser. So that's it for today. So let's like, share and subscribe this channel. I will be making more and more videos like this. Thank you all.